This is the part where I'm supposed to do something goofy, but I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna do what Lil Nas be doing. Yeah, I feel the titty movement though. Titty. Hi everybody, and welcome back to Drinks with Katie. Somebody told me that they like when I be dancing, so every video I'm about to do like a random ass dance move. So I might just be like, drinks with Goody, drinks with Goody, hit the Carlton on y'all. I can't really dance for real because my titties are big and I ain't trying to flash y'all. That's not that kind of video. I mean, but you paying, if you paying, I can flash y'all, show y'all a little titty or whatever. But anyway, this is not that video. Today's video is sponsored by, oh, I'm blind. My wig, y'all, my wig get mine sometimes. $37.99 if you want to know how much I paid for it. Anyway, today's video is sponsored by Comfee. Right here. I feel like I'm probably saying this wrong. I feel like it's probably more fancier than Comfee. I feel like it's probably Comfee or some shit like that. But anyway, today's video is sponsored by Comfee. They sent me this huge juicer that I will show you in a second. And I will be using this juicer on a lot of my videos because why buy, daiquiri mix when I can make my own? So I'm really happy they sent this to me because now I can make like healthier daiquiris and healthier drinks. I could do a lot with this. I could really like finesse the whole drink game with this juicer. So I'm about to show y'all what it looks like. I'm gonna take my phone off of my selfie stick and just zoom in and talk about each part. And I will have the link below on how to buy this juicer. For the most part, I'm pretty excited. Like it's like I'm gonna show y'all in a second. It's like right here. So I can't really like, I mean, I'm gonna adjust my camera so you can see it. Hold on. So this is it. So they sent me a color, which I'm happy because I looked at other YouTuber videos and they had no color and they sent me blue. Y'all fuck with me. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty big. So I'm about to show you guys what it looks like and describe the parts and how to work it and all that great stuff. And then we're gonna get to the drink video, which that's really what y'all wanna see. Y'all don't really wanna see me talk about this thing, but yeah, I gotta buy it. Like, once I make the drink, you're gonna see why I'm gassing it, okay? Okay, so I told you guys I was gonna go in detail with the juicer from, I feel like I'm saying this wrong, probably Comfee. But this is what it looks like. It's pretty big. So on here, they have the nozzles, reverse, stop, juice, ice cream, and self-clean. That's the goat for the self-clean. Then they have the little part where, this is where you put the fruit at. So you can put whole fruit in here, and then you would just, smash it. So it will come through here. And this is where it will catch the juice, right here. And then right here is where the pulp will come in. So if I was to have an apple, I'll put the apple in here, click this. Well, not click, but press down on here. It will come through here. The juice will end up here in the little juice catcher. And then the pulp will be right here. So they also have like a little knob right here. They have soft fruit and hard fruit. And then you just, y'all, my nails is not gonna be great. My nails. But you would flip it. Like soft fruit would be like kiwis and pineapples. And hard fruit would be like, apples. And what else is hard besides an apple? Probably like a coconut. I can't think of no hard fruit off the dome. But yeah, you would flip it right here. And then this right here just tell you how much juice you have. This was really easy to set up. I didn't set it up, my fiance set it up for me, but he set this up in like 5 minutes. So yeah, you guys, I'm really excited to use my new juicer from Comfee. Probably saying this all wrong, but they're probably gonna fight me. But I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. So let's get started. I'm gonna be making a Jack Daniel's caramel apple cocktail. You guys, I'm in love with this damn juicer, okay? This is how much juice I got. Look. This is pure apple juice, like non-filtered, no sugar. Well, it's probably sugar because of the apple, but non-filtered, no extra stuff. This came straight from the apple. So I am dumb hype to make this caramel apple drink because I'm using real ass apples. No daiquiri mix, no nothing. Just straight this and vodka.